India has shut down its airspace to all Pakistan owned and operated flights. The move comes just days after a horrific terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam that left 26 tourists dead. The gunmen involved have reported links to Pakistan based terror networks. This airspace closure by New Delhi is a direct response to Pakistan's decision 6 days earlier to block its airspace for Indian carriers. Now, both countries have mutually barred each other's flights from passing through their skies. A formal notification, a NOTAM, or Notice to Air Missions, has been issued by India. It clearly states, and I quote, Indian airspace not available to Pakistan registered aircraft and aircraft operated or leased by Pakistan Airlines, end quote. This includes all military flights. The ban is in place until 11:59 p.m. UTC on May 23rd, which is 5:29 a.m. IST on May 24th. However, both sides have left room for changes closer to that date. The decision comes at a time of rapidly deteriorating ties between the two nuclear armed neighbors. It follows a terror strike in Pahalgam that officials have described as religiously motivated. The attack occurred shortly after a provocative speech by Pakistan's army chief, General Asim Munir. Indian officials say they have intelligence linking the attackers to Pakistan based networks. In response, India has pledged to go to the ends of the earth to find and punish the terrorists and those backing them, promising retribution beyond their imagination. In anticipation of military retaliation, Pakistani flights had already begun avoiding Indian airspace. Now, with India's official block in place, rerouting is mandatory. Flights from Pakistan heading to Southeast Asia and Oceania will now be forced to take longer, costlier detours, a heavy burden for Pakistan's already struggling airlines. Beyond the airspace restrictions, India has launched a broader diplomatic offensive. It has suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, declared all Pakistani military diplomats persona non grata, closed all land borders, and revoked all visas granted to Pakistani nationals. Islamabad has also taken retaliatory measures. These include suspending all trade with India, halting Indian flights over its airspace, and threatening to withdraw from all bilateral agreements, including the landmark Shimla Agreement. Stay with us for further updates on this developing story.